Let me show you how I make my party favor sticker label bundle. This is my chip bag, and I start creating my chip bag. I start with a background, like you see right here. If I want, I add a frame right here, and then I add the images that I would like also on my other party favor labels. So for this one, this background I did create. I made my own pattern, like you see right here. I did get these elements from here from Canva, and then so I created a pattern. When I created this pattern, I downloaded it as a PNG. So now I'm able to use it right here. And also I'm able to use it. This is my welcome sign. This is an 8.5 by 11, just the same as my chip bag, but my chip bag is horizontal. This is a vertical, and it's going to be our welcome sign. We also have our invitation. Our invitation is a 5 by 7. And this fits two, if you want to print it out, it fits two in one sheet, one letter size sheet. This would be our pouch. Our pouch would be 3.5 by 5. And these would fit four in a sheet. Then we're also going to create a round circle label, and that you could, I usually print them out as 2 inches. We also create a water bottle label, and this is 2 by 8. And this would be our gable box. So we're going to go ahead and start already with our images from the chip bag. What I do is I go ahead and copy. I'm going to copy this background, or I also have it on my uploads. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my background, and I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger. If you like it like this, you can go ahead and leave it. This is my welcome sign. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy the frame. Copy. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring it here. Paste. So I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger right here. I'm going to go ahead and bring this to the back. Bring this right here. I'm going to change the color. I'm just going to bring my images and everything. I'm going to copy all this. And then I'm going to paste it. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to change this. And then I'm going to go ahead and welcome to crystals. And I'm going to put crystals right here. I'm going to change it a little bit because this is the welcome sign. Birthday. So I'm going to put here birthday. There we go. So welcome to Crystal's birthday. And here you could change it here. Let me see. Do I want this? You can make this bigger. And I think this is fine. This is fine for me. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and bring our images right here. And we're going to copy. And then we're going to go ahead and paste them right here. And we're just going to make them a little bit bigger right here. And then just adjust them back over here. Right there. So this is our welcome sign. So we're just getting everything from our original, which is the chip bag. And then we're just adding it to our other party favors, just like here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. I just go ahead and copy this, the background, copy the background. This is our invitation. We're going to go ahead and paste it right here. We're going to go ahead and send it to the back. Send it to back right there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy our frame, bring it right here, paste, and we're going to go ahead and make it about the same size as this other frame that I have right here. I'm going to go ahead and just right there. And then we go ahead and position it. I'm going to bring this to the back. I'm going to delete this other frame I have right here and right here. So now we're going to go ahead and bring everything else. So it says, join us to celebrate Crystal's birthday. So we're going to Crystal's birthday. We're going to copy this one, copy. We're going to go ahead and paste. We're going to make this smaller right here. It doesn't matter if it takes up more space. We have space right here. So then we bring some of our elements. Let's copy some of our elements. Copy, paste. We could insert that right here, right there. We could bring other elements. Copy and paste right here, right there. Let's go ahead and bring our cupcakes. And then we're just going to place them also right here, right there. And then copy, and then we're just going to place this one right here as well. So everything is just going to be copy and paste, copy and paste. And then we just adjust the size of them because they're all different sizes. So our next one would be our juice pouch. This is our juice pouch. Okay, so once again, we're going to go ahead and bring our pattern or our background. And we're going to go ahead and send it to the back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and say thank you for celebrating. And then we put Crystal's birthday again. We copy and paste. And paste right here. There we go. Center it. We're going to go ahead and change the color of this font. And we're going to go ahead and bring our frame, this one, copy and paste it right here. We're going to go ahead and make this smaller right here. Center it. We're going to send it to the back. We're going to delete this other frame that we had. We're gonna make sure this frame is centered. So we go here to the align to page and middle. We're gonna go ahead and right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and just put this up here. And then what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this flowers, copy. Let me see how this works. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in here paste. And I'm gonna go ahead and let me see. Do it like this. They're gonna do like the corner right here. And then this one I'm also gonna turn right here. Right here. What do these look like? Let me flip this. Let me go ahead and just right here. How does that look? I think that looks cute. I'm gonna leave that. And let's go ahead and put this one, copy, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it here in the center. Right here. I'm gonna put it. The candle's right here in the middle. How does that look? Let me bring this to the front. You guys could play around once you have all this. Bring to front. I'm gonna bring this to the front. And let me go ahead and fix this one. Right here, and this is centered right here. And we just center it right here. So play around. I like this. I like this very much. Let me go ahead and just bring the name a little bit down right here, center. And this is our juice pouch. Now this is going to be our round circle right here. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Right here, just, and then I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to go ahead and use these and then copy, and then I'm just going to go ahead and paste it right here. And I'm going to go ahead and bring it like this, center it right here. And then you could add some elements here at the bottom. I could go ahead and use one of these, copy and paste it. And then I'm just going to rotate it right here. And then I'm going to just make it a little bit bigger right here. We could add other little elements. Let me see if I bring this one, copy, and then paste it. And then this one as well, right there. Now it's our water bottle label. Let's do our water bottle label. And we are going to place it in the back. And this is going to go to the back. And then let me see, layers, send it to back. And then you can play around where you like this right here. And then we're going to go ahead and put a frame right here. Okay, so here's the frame we're going to use. And we're going to go ahead and do this, copy and paste. This is our water bottle label. We're going to go ahead and adjust the size and insert it right here, center it. And there it is. You could add little details right here. Let me see. Let's do the cupcakes. And let's put them right here. Let's do paste. Oops, I moved the wrong one. We have our cupcakes right here. Let's see. How does that look? And we could also do our little hats that we had. Copy and then paste it. Or we could even add them like right here in these blank spaces. And then right here, right there, we could duplicate them. Send some right here, duplicate this one, send it over here. No, this is fine. So yeah, and then now this is our gable box. This is our gable box. Okay, so this is our gable box, and we're gonna go ahead and put our pattern right here. Adjust it to the size. And then we're gonna go ahead and copy this frame. Well, we're gonna go ahead and copy the frame and the text and copy and then paste it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and group it. And we're gonna go ahead and put it right here. Center it, there we go. You could have details right here. Let me go ahead and copy and paste the little flowers. Here, we're gonna go ahead and do this, and then let me go ahead and do this one, copy and paste it. And right there. Now this is our bundle. You get, if you purchase, you get a chip bag wrapper. Well, the bundle consists of 6 of each, except for the welcome sign. It's just one welcome sign. It's 6, if you want to purchase, it's 6 of the chip bag wrappers. One welcome sign, it's an 8.5 by 11. We have our invitation, 5 by 7. You get 6 invitations. You customize with name and address and information. Then you get our juice pouches. This is for the Capri Sun juices. Then you get our round circle stickers. You get the water bottle labels. You get the favorite box or gable box labels as well. So if you guys are interested, go ahead, check out our website, different designs that you can purchase from. If not, I'm just showing you how to do them on your own at home with regular photocopy paper or cardstock paper. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.